Every Ohioan needs to be alarmed by what we're seeing. Those are the words of Governor DeWine as hospitalizations reach an all-time high in the Buckeye State. WCPO 9 News anchor Tamika Artis joins us live with more on this sharp rise in these more serious cases that require hospitalization. Tamika.
Hey, good morning to you, Julie. It is more important now than ever before that people have the ability to get COVID-19 testing. That is the way that the governor said we're going to stop the spread of this. And you can do just that here today for free in Springfield Township at St. Mark AME Zion Church here on Daly Road. Now, the availability of testing, he says, is critical to Hamilton County. In particular, we are on the verge of being in the purple on the state's color-coded map. Part of that concern has to do with hospitalizations. 198 new hospitalizations were reported in just the past 24 hours here in Ohio, and every part of the state is seeing an increase now in patients in the ICU and on ventilators. This chart from the State Department of Health can show you all of that right now. And you can just see how the number of hospitalizations has dramatically increased in recent days, with a much steeper curve now than any time before during this pandemic. While the number of people in the ICU and on ventilators represents a smaller percentage of the total number of hospitalizations, the governor says the biggest concern now is that this could be just the beginning.
Current increase in utilization is noticeably sharper, steeper than the increase we saw during the summer peak. Based on the trajectory of other early indicators, we've likely not yet reached the top. We have no indication that we've plateaued out at all.
Well, the governor did make a point of saying that no hospital in Ohio right now is overflowing or over capacity, but obviously these numbers are a big concern. We're not trending in the right direction, he says. And coming up in my live report at 6:30, we're going to tell you how corporate leaders and business leaders here in the tri-state are doing their part to stop the spread of the virus. Reporting live here this morning, I'm Tamika Artis, WCPO 9 News.
Thank you.